This is our new train. And there is Tiger watching the train. There's Tiger watching the train. You like the train? And here's our baby train. Whoops. Just trying to compete with the big train. Whoa. Accident. Off the track. I sure wish I had grandsons to play with when they were 3 years old. Maybe in the third dimension, I'll get to play with them. Of course, they'll be in their 30s by then. Okay. So I missed a lot, but I'm making up for it, right? Here we go. Hi, Tiger. You having a good morning? Hi, Tiger. Look at the camera. You having a good morning? They're having a very good time. We'll put Pup in later.